Howdy folks, welcome to the weekly Waffle-Garden Tour. Here we have zucchini growing like crazy like zucchini does. They say you can always find out who has no friends. They're the people buying zucchini at the grocery store. We did some fertilizing with a type of bacteria that brings out the phosphorus, and we see a lot of zucchini flowers, a lot of bean flowers, and the corn is starting to tassel on the first day of summer. And we have silks also. I will be doing a video later today about how to hand pollinate corn. We've got a nice green color on all the plants. There is adequate nitrogenation. I did a video on how to fertilize young corn. And this is the bed where we will be planting corn later today. Available next week probably. There's plums just starting to get ripe. First time this little tree has ever had fruit. It is 5 years old now. With fruit tree, it's best to remove all fruit for about the first 5 or 6 years. Here's an excerpt from the video where I was mixing the type of bacteria that releases the phosphorus from the soil. This way you have the natural phosphorus and it becomes available. I also did what is probably my funniest video, is a video about how to kill ants organically using that little green bait station that has a 0.5% boron mix in it and sugar water. They carry the bait back to the rest of the colony. And since I just mulched this week, I thought it would be a good opportunity to talk about mulches. So there is an upcoming mulch video coming along showing my favorite mulching strategies. Well, thank you very much for coming on the tour today. We'll see you next week. Be sure to check our other videos.